Alrighty, that view from our Stockton Bank Tower Cam, and a little bit of light snow still happening in the Great Falls area. And good evening, everyone. So glad to have you with us. And snow, yes, that's going to be the story for the next several days, off and on. And the song remains the same here, but more on that in just a little bit. Wanted to show you this. Here's Rogers Pass. It's about an hour ago, looking pretty gnarly here, if you will. But snow-packed for sure. This right here, I don't know if you can see that, it's an 18-wheeler, it looks like, making it up over the pass. But anyway, I took this just a couple of minutes ago here. McDonald Pass, looked like somebody was doing a little slipping and a sliding here. But, you know, I guess it's just reminding you, please be careful in your travels. It's pretty bad out there. I know you already know that, but, you know, it's just our job to keep reminding you of that. So just please be aware of all that. And winter weather advisory till 5 a.m. That will expire. I suspect there will be another one put out by the National Weather Service tomorrow morning for later in the day and tomorrow night. But anyway, a little bit of snow still happening around the region, a little bit in the Great Falls area. The radar sometimes doesn't pick up snow very well, so a little bit more coverage than what is depicted here. But south of Great Falls, down towards Lewistown and adjacent areas thereof, down towards Roundup, still some snow happening here. Also in the Glasgow area, also over towards Malta, so some slipping and a sliding on Highway 2, no doubt about that. Other than that, just mostly cloudy skies, but you know, we'll be clearing out later on tonight, and actually we'll see some sunshine early tomorrow. Look at these temps. Brr, a balmy 24 in Helena, 0 here in Great Falls, and once again the high line single digits below 0. Lewistown yesterday at this time in the 30s, now at -2, and those winds out there, light winds in many areas, so there will be some fog with that early tomorrow, but the wind chills, not as bad as we have seen lately, but still pretty nasty out there. So again, hypothermia and frostbite set in quickly with these temperatures. Please be aware of that, and there are your highs for tomorrow, still in the icebox. Wanted to show you this. This is for the next few days, the western part of the United States. Big trough will be setting up shop, so there's going to be a whole lot of snow for the higher terrain, even some of the lower terrain here in the west. And there's two reasons. You can see it right here. Look at this moisture, this plume of moisture just pouring in from the Pacific. The Sierra Nevada getting ridiculous amounts of snow there. This trough right here kind of looks like a smile. See that right there? That's a trough. That's shifting south and eastward. Good energy diving into this trough. Going to set up shop over the western United States starting late tomorrow and for the next several days after that. A little bit of a disturbance rolling by today, coupled with the upslope at ground level, giving us the snow. By late tomorrow, this trough shifts eastward, where again we'll be on the east side of the trough. You couple that with the upslope, and the upslope, that means snow. It's going to be, well, I'll show you here on Futurecast. It gets out of here overnight tonight. Again, some clear skies early tomorrow. Watch out for some fog. By later in the day, here comes the trough, along with the upslope at ground level. Here comes the snow. Trough in place right on through the weekend. Each day, some snow is likely, the way it looks right now. And temperatures will remain very cold right on through the period. It looks like the next break we get will be early next week. And Helena, actually, you could be above freezing on Friday, but back to the deep freeze over the weekend with a good chance for some snow. And we'll be back with sports right after this.